Y'all was good. So today, feel me, got a PS5 controller. Just hit up Best Buy. No free promo. She got my name and shit on there. Got a cam link for my Mac. Hey man, let's just get it. Hey, shit going crazy, bro. Hold on. And a micro cable, you feel me? So, with this being said, let me set this shit up. Hey y'all, bear with me, bro. If you turn off the video, you lame as hell. Feel me? I got it's the best tripod that I got. Like, my tripod just randomly disappeared, bro. I'm not even lying. My shit just disappeared. Niggas not capping. Dead. So basically, I'm gonna be doing more stream reactions. Also playing chess. So y'all gonna be seeing more live videos coming from streams. Feel me? If y'all fuck with let me know if I should hop on Twitch or Kick. Which streaming service, which streaming platform should I hop on first? Fuck, I just tweaked. I gotta fix this tripod. Y'all bear with me, bro. Don't turn off my video. Bear with me. Really want to get my... Now I gotta find where I put my camera. I got the mic set up, but I don't even think I'm gonna use this. Blue Yeti. I don't even think I'm gonna use it. I wonder if they'll let me use my Rode mic with the computer. We're gonna see about all this, but let me grab my other camera first before we do anything. I think I left it in the bathroom. Whole time it was right there on the kitchen counter, man. Ain't that some shit? So right now I'm just setting up my camera. But yeah, gonna be real different from now on. Also, I'm gonna be rebranding my page to Don John. Feel me? Gonna be rebranding my page. I'm gonna save Royalty Dreaming for when I really get my business set up. Royalty Dreaming, aka Royal Dream Solutions LLC, owns all the intellectual property coming from this channel. So if you made it this far in the video, you clearly a real one. I want y'all to subscribe if y'all new. Y'all gonna be getting way more videos, more higher quality videos. Cause I've been had this Sony A7 III, right? But I haven't been using it because the higher quality the content, the more time it takes to edit. And I don't have the available capital to outsource any of my edits at the moment, but we getting there. So while I was in the process, you feel me? While I was in the process of getting the available capital I just started recording a lot of videos on my phone, just expressing my thoughts. And so far so good, you know. Nothing that I can complain about. Feel me? Make sure this fit. Success. So yeah, that fit right there. Let me move this out the way. See what I'm saying? Can I do it like this? Yeah, that works better. You know, yeah. I mean, online they said to get a dummy battery so it's not plugged up to my actual camera, but for right now, we're just gonna go with what we got. Feel me? Unboxing that Cam Link. This is what's gonna hook to the computer. Oh yeah, man. Oh shit. Hey, y'all niggas done fucked up letting me get a hold of this. Y'all done fucked up letting me get a hold of one of these, you feel me? Shit. A nigga done stepped his game up, you feel me? This like going from PS3 to a PS5. From my phone to a camera. Watch my quality just go through the fucking roof. Now, if you're one of the real ones, dog. What the fuck? Do I even need this piece? What the fuck is this? Bruh, what the fuck is that? I don't think I need that shit. Well, I just need this part. Yeah, USB 3 extension cable. Why the hell would I need that? I don't need that. All I need is this. Plug that bitch right up. You feel me? Whole time, I probably could have got a piece for my phone to hook up to this shit too, but why plug my phone up when I got a whole camera, bro? Real talk. Now the only thing is Rode camera compatible with this shit. Or not Rode camera, Rode microphone. Is Rode Go Wireless 2 compatible with this shit? Compatible with streaming. Hell yeah, so we gonna work on getting that shit connected too. Feel me? How do I connect Rode Wireless to OBS? This will send a complete audio mix, including microphone game audio, from Rode Connect to OBS. Damn, I gotta get OBS back. I mean, I got Streamlabs, so let's see what they say in Streamlabs right now. Let me see if my camera. See what this shit say. I mean, I got the Cam Link connected already, but let's see what this shit say. Let me open up my blinds too, at some lighting. Feel me? Shit different. Shit different for real. It ain't the same as it used to be. Shit different. Put some of that my shit looking. Chat. Shit different, man. I'm telling y'all. webcam, Cam Link 4K. I already know what's up. Cam Link 4K? Is that what we doing? Cam Link 4K, shorty? Stop playing with it. Yes, sir. Watch this, watch this. 4K. Damn, that's me, yo. Hey, yo, that's me. Gang shit, man. Nah, I don't gang bang, though. Some real shit. I'm trying to, like, get the right angle, though. Feel me? Like, what the fuck? This angle awkward as hell. I mean, y'all might just have to deal with this shit. Feel me? I'm trying to think. If I had that shit like this, though. But then you're not gonna be able to, bruh. Alright, this one way better. Yeah, hey, I just set up the stream, bro. Like, it's that simple. I just set that up. I wonder if I can put the whole chest shit on here too. Feel me? Should I make my first stream chest shit? Should I make my first stream on some reaction shit? Like, what's up? Y'all let me know. Cause we could really do this 24/7. This shit easy now. Could go live from the camera straight to it just like that. Shit ain't never been that easy. But hey, if you new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. You feel me? But at the same time, hey, if you early, bro, hop on the bandwagon right now. I'm telling y'all, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna change the channel name to Don John. We're gonna be doing more content like my face in it, like shit that I already been doing lately. Because, feel me, the royalty driven brand, it's not ready yet. I'm not gonna lie. It's getting ready though, so feel me, just fuck with this channel for now, and then I'm gonna make more professional content on my other page. Like, I got the brand. I got it, bro. I got it, y'all. Just bear with me. Feel me? So yeah, we're gonna be doing the rebranding, doing a lot of reactions, a lot of chess. Feel me? I got the PlayStation controller. Feel me? It's my, right now, I moved back to my dude's crib, and it's my little brother shit. My little brother PS5, so shit, we might be doing some collabs. Me and my little brother doing gaming and shit. Feel me? But other than that, I already said enough. Y'all watch me unbox. Y'all watch me this far. Then, hey, I fuck with y'all. But yeah, hey, I'm out. Casting out closing. Y'all ain't gotta go home, but y'all gotta get up out of here.